All right, so you've heard people talk about the stock market like it's this magical place where money multiplies or disappears faster than your salary after rent. But what is the stock market really? Imagine the stock market as a giant supermarket. But instead of bananas and cereal, you're buying tiny pieces of companies. These tiny pieces, they're called stocks. And owning a stock means you actually own a small part of that company. Yup, even you, Ravi from Ranchi, can technically own a piece of Apple. Cool, right? But wait, why would a company want to sell slices of itself to random people? Let's talk about that. Companies need money to grow, to build factories, hire people, or invent the next big thing. So instead of asking their rich uncle, who's probably already invested in crypto, they go public and sell stocks. That's called an IPO, initial public offering. Sounds fancy? It is. But it's not a one-way street. What's in it for you, the investor? Let's flip the script. People buy stocks to, hopefully, make money. If you buy a stock at 100 and it goes up to 150, boom, you just made 50. But if it drops to 50, we don't talk about that. So how do stock prices even go up or down? Is there a secret committee somewhere pressing buttons? Nope. It all comes down to demand. If more people want a stock, the price goes up. If they sell, the price drops. It's supply, demand, and sometimes vibes. Let's meet the people behind all this market madness. In the stock market, you've got characters like investors, traders, fast movers, mutual funds, big money guys, and your uncle who almost became a millionaire in 2008. We all have one. But whether you're Warren Buffett or just Buffett, risk is always part of the game. Let's talk about that. Yes, the market goes up and down. It's not a fixed deposit, people, but over time, smart investing can actually grow your money. Just don't bet your entire lunch money on a meme stock. Looking at you, Dogecoin warriors. So that's the stock market, a place where you can own parts of companies, grow your wealth, or lose it all if you follow Twitter threads for advice. Seriously, stop that. Okay, now hold up. This stickman's working overtime to teach you how to not go broke. The least you could do is hit that subscribe button. It's free. Like a free stock tip. Except it actually works. Alright, now that our stickman's self-esteem is restored, in the next videos, we'll dive deeper, how to actually buy a stock, what a portfolio is, and why everyone think they are the next Warren Buffett during a bull run. Until then, stay curious, stay broke only in knowledge, and I'll see you in the next one.